while the contour is supposed to slim out your face, your concealer is supposed to bring out your best features, like pronounce them, highlight them out. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Stella. This is the day we are doing highlight and contouring for beginners. I'm doing this step by step, very detailed tutorial. So we know for that ado, let's go straight into it. So I finished moisturizing and doing all that good stuff. So now I'm going in with my primer. I'm using the Zaron face primer. You have to start off with a good base. So apply generously all over the face. This is supposed to help to minimize the pores, make your makeup last longer. These two foundation, this one is too light, Zaron in leather and Flawless in ebony. This one is too light, this one is too dark, so I make them to give my perfect shade. As a beginner, I would advise you shouldn't mix your foundation. Me, I got these ones online. That's why I tried. I thought when I was looking, I thought they'll match. I did not. So just go into the shop, test before you buy. Before you buy your foundation. So I'm using my damn beauty sponge. You will see I didn't take it close to my eyes and close to my hairline because my contour is going to go on there and my highlight will go on there, so I don't want too much build up. For my contour, I'm using the Flawless Ivy foundation in the shade Ebony. This one is just one shade darker than my skin and it reflects, like you will see it has my undertone, that's golden undertone, so it makes my face like sun kiss. And I'm applying with a brush. You can use your wet beauty and your beauty sponge, but let me go in with a brush today. I apply at the back of my hands, warm it first. If you see the one that they always do, you just draw it looks very aesthetic, but blending out, nah. So if you don't, you can do like, you start from where this your ear is. You see your ears, then you take it down like that. You just have to and you blend it upward, not downward. You blend your hairline too. You see why I was trying to avoid applying foundation. You blend. You're supposed to make, I have a very large forehead, so I'm always using my contour to reduce the appearance of this big forehead. Make it slim down the forehead. If you don't have big forehead, you can use it like so that your hairline, so that it will not look like you have a mask on after applying the foundation. We'll do the same here. Highest part of our cheekbone, and we apply it upward. We blend it upward. I like blending it towards my brows too. Yeah. It's looking like I don't have anything on, right? But this foundation, when it gets dry, it will look darker. Highlighter or concealer, because highlighter and can be used interchangeably. I'm using the Flawless Ivy Camouflage Concealer, and I would apply it under my eyes. My forehead, not too much, because I tell you guys I have large forehead, so not too much. Bridge of my nose, my chin, and here. I'll use the remainder and just do like that. It's what was left, just spread. Your concealer is supposed to help cover those dark marks under the eyes and brighten all the areas you want. If the camera hits, it should shine. It's supposed to, while the contour is supposed to slim out your face, your concealer is supposed to bring out your best features, like pronounce them, highlight them out. Start blending with on my forehead and the bridge of my nose. Remember, we have not done nose contour yet. I like highlighting my forehead and my nose, the bridge of my nose, so that I will trim it down. That's how I like to do mine, and everybody have their own way. So I'm done blending it out. Use the other side and blend it in. Nose contour, I'm using an angle brush. The remainder of that contour that I put on my hands, take it a little bit and go on under my eyes. You see why I like to do the highlighting before the contouring. You go on like this, apply like this. Here you apply like this. Like this. The nose contour is supposed to trim down your nose, make it look pointy. So after that, I bring it down here like this. See, I'm not bringing it downward, just this V, just this V, and I join them here. Then with my chin, if you have smile lines like me, you start now to tackle it. So I'll use this purple shade. I like experimenting blush shade on my face for my blush today. Back of my, like this flat edge. Pray for me, let it come out good. So I'll use it to blend in my contour and my highlights. I think there's no shade that doesn't fit black or the caramel skin. Sorry, let me brag a little bit. I haven't seen a blush shade that doesn't fit the dark tone and Milani. So since I'm done with that, so let me see, this is, I've not set, you see, those places I want shadowed, that I contoured, my forehead here, those places I want highlighted here. See, my face is looking slimmer than usual. That is the function of contouring and highlighting. Let's set there. For setting the highlights, it's better you use a loose powder. I've come to find out I have pressed powders, but it's always better to use a loose powder. So I'm using the Flawless loose powder in the shade Banana. Use my beauty sponge. That'll be like this, you see. Then I'll distribute it at the back of my hands. Distribute it on here. Then I press it in. I'll do that for the rest of my face. Press it in. Set the forehead, all the places you highlighted. We use one shade darker for our contour, so we have to use one shade darker too when we are setting the contour in. Using the pressed powder. Now you know everything you use liquid on, you have to set it in with a powder. See, if you would like to do it here, I don't like doing this part, but I've done it today. I like using my contour to set my brows. A brush and your skin tone and powder to set the rest of your face. Give me a minute, let me finish the rest of my face. I'm coming. After setting my whole face, after doing the rest, don't forget to use your setting spray to set everything in. You know, you applied so much powder, so that to blend it all in and let it dry up. So guys, this is the final look. Hope you learned something from today's video. Don't forget to subscribe. You will get a big thumbs up. Share your thoughts on the comment section. What would you like to see? To the next one. Bye.